What's up, everybody? We're here at Diamond Tool. In case you missed it live, we're gonna make a little short video right now.
Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came.
They got the vacuums. Ooh, they got sustainer. Got the track saws, the collar-weighted screw guns. Oh, it's so pretty. I gotta tell you, this Carvex is nice. Pretty. Let us know what you think. If you missed it live last time and you want us to return and do another live here at Diamond Tool at the Festool section, let us know by leaving a comment down below and smashing that like button. Just a little tease. See you guys.
Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.